I gotta start freestyling about some real stuff, man. Out here in Washington, D.C., singing, man, how could I be a Kennedy? I'm in the strongest place ever to be, but I'm just gonna keep doing me, cause I got the remedy. I talk to commissioners, I talk to the AD, but they wanna help, but they will help, cause they will see that one day I'm gonna be on top. And you can't say no, but I ain't gonna stop. Because I know if I stay on my grind, I'm gonna be talking to Obama, he goes, and I'm gonna get him to sign. Yeah, this playoff bill is going through the Senate, and I don't care what you say, I meant it to win it.
Do you believe in a BCS playoff? June 9, 2010, at the hearing of the Subcommittee on Antitrust Competition Policy and Consumer Rights hearing on the enforcement of antitrust laws, Assistant Attorney General Christine Varney speaks her opinion about sports and college athletics.
My question to you, General Varney, do you believe that college sports are too trivial for the Antitrust Division's attention? To put that another way, would the fact that these issues revolve around college sports keep the Justice Department from bringing a case if the conduct was found to be anti-competitive? And I would appreciate hearing your view on those two questions too, Mr. Leibowitz.
Senator, my view is that sports are business. They're big business, whether they're in college or out of college. And so far as I know, the only enterprise that enjoys antitrust immunity is baseball. Other than that, all of these enterprises are subject to the antitrust laws.
Right.
We will obviously investigate, thoroughly pursue, and bring the appropriate action against any enterprise, whether it's sporting or otherwise, that's in violation of the antitrust laws.
Yeah.
I heard the President's remarks, of course, and he really never said that after the inauguration. It was all beforehand, and I think he realized that he has better things, more important things to worry about, which certainly he does. Heaven forbid, this is only sports. And I feel the same way about Congress. We have congressmen from time to time that say they would like a playoff or like to make changes, but I think 99% of the folks in Washington do realize that they have more.
Here's two college football fans talking about the BCS or the insertion of a playoff.
I'm Michael Greenway. I go to the University of Idaho. I think there should be a college football playoff. It makes everything more competitive, and it takes it out of the, there's maybe some bias on the East Coast because the East Coast teams in the national championship game. When if you have an 18 playoff, that it makes it better. One would play 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, all at the higher seed. So 8 would be at 1, but the national championship game would be at a neutral site.
I think it's terrible that some teams can go undefeated the entire year and still have no shot at a national championship. I mean, and it takes the underdog factor. Everyone likes to root for an underdog, but with the current system, there is no underdog because people decide who goes, which is stupid. You should have to earn your way to national championship.
I'm Vance Hutchison. I do like the current system of the bowl format, but I think ultimately the smaller dogs, the smaller teams don't get to play the national championship game because of the BCS format.
All right. College football fans fighting for a college football playoff.
Go Vandals!
Go Vandals!
This is Carly and Claire, two USC student athletes who participate in soccer. Okay, so right now USC is under restriction and they can't go to any bowl games. But in 2013, when it comes and then let's say USC is undefeated, ranked number 3 in the BCS, and they go to the Rose Bowl, would you be okay with that, or would you rather have them participate in a playoff?
They should go for the national championship. They should be able to participate in playoffs.
I think that every undefeated team should have a chance at the national title, and I don't understand why there's not a playoff to see which team goes to the national championship. So I think there should definitely be a playoff.
All right, thank you.
about, you know, what if Nene helped me? What if Deuce helped me? Why didn't they help me? It would have been better if they did help me, but that's not what God had in store for me. He needed to teach me something.